Welcome back there. In the last video, we were looking at how we could combine tens, and in this video, we're going to look at how we can combine tens with ones. Let's have a look, shall we? You might need to do something like this. 40, which is 4 tens and no ones, plus 2 ones. And this is how we do it. So we can make the number with our base 10 blocks, which is 4 tens and no ones, plus 2 ones. And as before, all we need to do is bring these two together and write our answer, which is going to be 4 tens and 2 ones, or 42. Pretty easy. To show you another example, we might have 9 plus 80. Now, in this example, we do have the ones and then the tens, but as we know from before, it doesn't matter what order we add in, it always gives us the same result. So I need to combine 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dropping them everywhere, 9 ones, and 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Bringing these numbers together is quite easy. I'm just going to put the ones around on this side because that's the way we write the number. And we've got, of course, 8 tens and 9 ones. I wanted to show you this in a separate video because we're going to use this concept as well as some of the concepts earlier in the next video. I'll see you there.